So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset iPhone Note lock password or passcode. In most cases, you may want to protect your iPhone Note by using passcode. So with the passcode enabled on your iPhone Note, you need your password or passcode to unlock the iPhone Note each time you open the iPhone Note. Whether you access it from the app menu or you access the iPhone Note from the lock screen. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your iPhone Note passcode. To reset your iPhone Note passcode, all you need to do is go to your phone settings, scroll down and click on Notes. Once you selected Note, scroll down and select Password. Now, you should see two options here under Use Face ID, Change Password and Reset Password. If you choose the option to change your iPhone Note password, you'll be able to change the Note password only if you can remember the old password. However, if you want to reset the iPhone password, all you need to do is hit Reset Password. Once you click on Reset Password, you'll be prompted to reset Note password. Enter the password for your Apple ID to reset your Note password. So you need to provide your Apple ID password before you can reset your Note password. However, if you cannot remember your Apple ID password at the moment, all you need to do is hit forgot password. And if you can go ahead and key in your Apple ID password. Once you've typed in your Apple ID password, you want to click on the OK at the top right. Now wait for your iPhone to verify your Apple ID password. Once that's verified, you should see a pop-up that says, "Are you sure you want to reset your password?" This will change the password you use for your Note from now on. Then tap on the reset button to reset the Note password. Once you hit the reset button, you should see a pop-up that says, "Switch to device protection for your locked Note." Click on Not Now. Then type in your new password, verify, and then type in your int. Once you've done that, you want to click on the Done button. At the same time, you want to type your password in so that you'll be able to reset iPhone Note password when forgotten. After that, hit the Done button at the top right again. And there you go. You've successfully reset your iPhone Note locked password. So guys, if you find this really interesting, you want to hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.